Welcome. This video covers how to record the installation of a Go unit and how to view device information. Once a Go unit has been installed into a vehicle, you can fill out details about the installation through the form at install.geotab.com. The three required fields are installer name, installer company, and the serial number of the device. Additionally, you can choose to complete any additional fields about the vehicle or asset as needed. Once an installation record has been submitted, you can review it by going to the Assets page in your database. If there were any changes put in on the installation form, you may see checkboxes on the Assets page asking for you to either accept or reject the changes. From the Assets list, select the asset that the device is in and scroll down until you get to the Current Status and Installation Info button. Click here to review device information, such as warranty information, how long it's been since the device last communicated, any possible issues that are being recorded, and any installation history. That's all we have for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.